Share market commentary and for NSE and MCX future tips trial. Stock trading is not just buying and selling stocks at the stock market. There are so many other factors that need to be taken care of for successful stock trading. Anyone who invests in the stock market wishes to make profit from the investments. To ensure that you get significant return from your investment, you have to pick up the right stocks at the right time. You have to learn the basics of the stock trading as well as acquire the skills to select the right stocks that will most likely appreciate in the future. There are so many other aspects related to stock trading that you need to be well aware of if you want to enter the stock market. Here we are discussing the different aspects of stock trading that will help you make stock investment easy and profitable. If you have decided to trade in stocks, the first thing that you need to decide is the stock market where you will trade. There are mainly two major stock exchanges in India, the Bombay Stock Exchange or BSE and the National Stock Exchange or NSE. While the BSE is the largest stock exchange in the country and it is the biggest in world in terms of number of listed companies, the NSE is the virtual exchange where you can only trade online. Both these exchanges have their benefits and limitations. They have different rules of trading and not all the stocks are traded at each of the stock exchange. So you have to select the exchange where you can trade, but of course you can trade differently at both the exchanges if you are trading online. The next most important thing that you should have is a broker through whom you will undertake the trading. Every stock exchange has listed stock brokers through whom the trading is done by the investors. Based on the stock exchange you wish to trade, you have to get a broker to do the trading. Moreover, you would also need to have a DP account to buy and sell shares. You can either opt for a conventional broker or you can choose to trade online. If you are trading online, you can get the broking service from the banking or non-banking organizations offering online trading facilities. They will provide you with the DP account, online trading account, and act as your broker. The next thing that you need to decide is the type of stocks and the nature of trading. It is essential as you need to have a strategy for stock market investment. You cannot just abruptly buy some stocks and sell them. Though it may give you some profit at some point of time, to gain from stock market you need to have to make well-thought investments strategically. Therefore it is important to decide the nature of the trading and type of investment depending on the fund and your objective of investing in the stock market. If you are here for some long-term investment and get good return, you should investment in the large-cap blue-chip stocks for longer periods. Most of the growth stocks of the large-cap segment give good return in the future. But if you are here for some instant income, then you should go for daily trading in the short term, and marginal trading will be perfect for you. If you are having little fun to invest in the stock market and ready to take the risk, you go for derivative trading or margin trading. In margin trading you can invest in more number of stocks even with a little fun, but the chances of losing or gaining money is higher. But the wise thing to do is divide the fund accordingly and have separate funds for long-term investment, daily trading, and for buying IPO. That is also a great way to earn from the market. How can I invest in share market? PAN card or an Aadhar card is a mandatory requirement for investing in India. It is required for KYC, know your client, procedure while opening an account with the market regulator, the Securities and Exchange Board of India, Sebi. Besides this, the government has mandated 6-month bank statement along with a cancelled check, under the new rules, to open a demat account. A person cannot go directly to the stock market to buy or sell shares. In order to be able to invest in share market in India, the following procedures need to be followed. Get a PAN or Aadhar card. PAN card or an Aadhar card is a mandatory requirement for investing in India. It is required for KYC, know your client, procedure while opening an account with the market regulator, the Securities and Exchange Board of India, Sebi. Besides this, the government has mandated 6-month bank statement along with a cancelled cheque. Get a broker. A person cannot go directly to the stock market to buy or sell shares. Buying and selling of stocks has to be done through brokers. They are individuals, companies or agencies registered with and authorized by Sebi to trade on the stock exchanges. Brokers will charge a brokerage fee or brokerage for the assistance they provide. Get a demat account. Once you have a broker, the next step is to open a demat and trading account. This account will hold the stocks that you have purchased and will reflect them in your name. Shares cannot be held in physical form and they form part of the dematerialized or demat account. Buying and selling. In order to buy or sell shares, one needs to inform the broker the quantity to be bought or sold along with the price at which you wish to carry out the transaction. While investing in the share market, these are the ways to invest. 1. Understand your investment requirement and take decisions accordingly. 2. Decide your goal and plan the investment strategy accordingly. Find out the stocks that are likely to align with your investment objectives. 3. Enter the market at the right time. Try and buy the share at its lowest cost, especially when the market is weak, and sell when it rallies. This would yield higher returns. 4. While trading, you should communicate the requirements to your broker. Ensure that the broker does accordingly and cross-check to avoid any errors. 5. Monitor your portfolio regularly. Instead of keeping all eggs in one basket, have the best possible mix of stocks. It helps to avoid unnecessary risk.